Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Allure beauty box, so let's get into it. Check it out. Allure beauty box is $25 a month. You will have 6 products. 3 of them are guaranteed to be full-sized, and I think they say it will have a greater than $100 value. I still order mine from Amazon. I'm not sure real why anymore. I used to do it because I got it quicker. Now I don't think that's the case. And I think if you do it on Allure, you might get to do some customization some months. I don't think they say you'll get it every month, but I think they do some customization. When we open it up, and this is my January box, that is our paperwork. Ooh, she's full. Those are our goodies. I have no idea what's in here. I know when I was doing the December box and talking about how good it was, you guys are like, wait till you see January. So I am very excited. Okay, first out, we have a sample. It is the Eva New York Deeply Conditions and Hydrates Therapy Session Hair Mask. That's a nice one-time try to see if it's something that you would like to use. It says that the Eva NYC Therapy Session Hair Mask. When your hair is dry or staticky this time of year, a hydrating hair mask can work wonders. Eva NYC's with jojoba seed oil and argan oil spreads easily through wet hair in the shower and boosts shine. It also smells delicious and sweetly warm like a patisserie. Well, I wasn't sure if I was going to use it because I use my Vegamore, but I like the idea of my hair smelling like a patisserie. Next out, we have the Rock Multi-Complexion Hydrate and Plump Serum Capsules. They are hyaluronic acid and it's 30 biodegradable capsules, so I would say it is a month's worth. Let's find it in the paperwork. Remember the old, I do hate when I date myself, so the old Elizabeth Arden capsules? I think she was one of the first people to do capsules. So it's just kind of like it's plastic, but it looks heavy enough and it feels heavy enough that you would believe that it is glass. I love the way that looks. Rock Skincare Hydrate and Plump Serum Capsules. This is full-sized. It has a $32.99 value. The serum is housed in capsules, which can help preserve its efficacy. Light and air may break down skincare ingredients, making it easy to travel with. It leaves skin hydrated thanks to hyaluronic acid, soothed, and dewy, and emollient, caprylic, and capric triglycerides fill in lines to make the complexion feel soft, even, and smooth. Well, that all seems very fun. I like the idea of that. I will read through the ingredients. Actually, they are huge. Hold on just a second. I am reading through the ingredients. There is nothing in them that I cannot use. So I may give this a try. That's kind of fun. Okay, next out, we have tiny L'Occitane Immortelle Divine Youth Cream. It is, I mean, it's finger sized. And, oh, holding it up to the light, it is this full. So all of this, which is already small, and I can see across it, it's filled to here. Wow. This says, this is L'Occitane's most popular face cream for its rich texture. Just decadent enough to feel super fancy and moisturizing without being too heavy, and how it makes cheeks noticeably softer. That doesn't feel like a sentence. It is named for the bright yellow immortelle flower, whose extracts are supposed to help fade wrinkles and dark spots. Okay, fading wrinkles and dark spots. I can't use this. If it was 1.7 ounces, it would be $115. I don't know what this is. These are really tiny words, but it's 3 drops. So it's still probably $2 or $3 worth, but it's tiny. I feel the boxes in there. I'm reaching for the last tiny thing so we can get it out of the way. Oh, this is Egyptian Magic. We have gotten this in the box in the past. I like to get this in the winter. I like it on my elbows because I sit here, or if you sit in a restaurant, or when I'm sitting at my table doing diamond painting. Have you guys tried diamond painting yet? I feel like I'm always grinding my elbows into my sweater or whatever I happen to be wearing. That was quite the story, wasn't it? Like I'm aggressively like, throwing bows over here. This is great on my elbows, and I also like it on my feet. Sometimes I will put it on my feet and pretend, and I mean pretend, like I'm gonna sleep in cotton socks all night long. I can't. I wake up feeling like I'm being strangled. Yes, I said my feet. I can't help it. That is such a perfect little pour. P-O-U-R. Ooh. And she immediately, I'm warm, but it immediately starts melting under the heat of your skin. Oh I really like it. It is definitely a balmy oil that just releases under the heat of your skin. But I think that this one absorbs more, like back balm or something like that. This one, I think, absorbs more than that. Like, look, can you even tell? I don't know that you can even tell. It was on my finger. I like it. Next out, I don't know what this is. Dermalect Transfix Restore and Repair Protein Peptide Infused Strengthening and Restorative. Oh, healthy nail formula. I'm doing a video tomorrow. I know, this was very ill-planned. I'm going to maniology my nails and do some fun stamps and stuff on them, but I'm doing it tomorrow. I should have switched it and done it today and then done all of this tomorrow, but I had more time today to do more videos. This is what the front looks like. This is what the back looks like. And this says, let's see how it's, and I jumped it. Let's see what it's going to do for our nails. This base coat helps prevent new damage so nails can grow in stronger, and it hides yellowness and ridges so nail polish on top also looks better. It's also so pretty that you may decide to skip the nail polish. One coat makes a fresh, healthy looking manicure all on its own. Paint on one coat, and after it dries, you can add your polish on top. It is $18 for 0.4 ounces. I think even for a nail polish, 0.4 ounces is small. Let's see, because it's a big box. I mean, I think it's a little bit smaller because it's very narrow, and that was a big box for that little fella, but that's okay. It does have a nice peachy color. I could see in the summer, if I didn't have time to maniology and do fun things with my nails, why I might choose it. It's just a normal little brush. Now that I have the brush out of here, I can tell you, yes, it is smaller than normal sized. I thought I would just put it on here so we could see if it picks up any of that cream color slash peachy color, or if it just stays. One coat on my pinky. I feel like, that's my nails. I feel like it's pretty much clear, but if it is healthy for my nails, I will absolutely try it. It says it's ridge filling too, so anything that will even out my ridges. I forget why I have ridges. I'm very anemic. Was that it? It can't be dehydrated because your girl is always drinking. Well, that's fun. I know for some people they're like nail polish. I find nail polish very exciting. Now I have to keep my pinky safe. Okay, next out we have Elta MD Skincare UV Daily Broad Spectrum SPF 40 Tinted, tinted face cream. Face cream. It just says tinted. There's no hint to the color. I think some of us are probably tinted a little differently than others, but we'll give it a shot. Is octinoxate a chemical or a mineral? Because I don't want to try this if it's a chemical sunscreen, because then I can't. Oh, what does that say? Yeah, I'm not using this. I will decide whether I'm going to put it in a giveaway. The second product is petrolatum. Yeah, I don't think I'm using that. Let me take it out and show you guys. Would you guys use that? Am I being too picky? Have I gotten too picky? It's possible. With all of the sensitivities that I have, it could be me. It's gonna be me. Okay. You'll be hard-pressed to find a better sunscreen than one made by Elta MD. The brand's formulas are perpetual favorites of dermatologists for their skin-saving broad-spectrum protection. But just because they work so well doesn't mean that they're not light enough to wear every day, even in the winter. Elta MD's tinted sunscreen is proof. Its sheer color evens out your complexion without making it look makeup-y or sunscreeny. And it moisturizes with hyaluronic acid, so it's extra easy to protect your skin from the sun year-round. And this has a $38 value. Dermatologists recommend it with petrolatum as its second product. Well, like I said, it's probably just me. Let me know below if you would use it. And last out, yes, last out we have, Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Refresh Spray. I have tried the Hydro Grip and actually liked it. Did I like it? Let's go with yes. I don't think, Milk, I have tried the spray. I don't think so. Ooh, it looks just like it's the same. Oh, look, the oils separate. How about that? So it has oils in it. We know that. Trying to turn pages and keep my pinky free. I don't want to scuff my pinky because I'm going to do my nails in the morning. There's no need in doing Mr. Pinky again. It is $38. It is 3.8 ounces. And it says this fine mist does everything a good setting spray should. And then some. It helps prevent makeup from caking, settling into fine lines, and fading without feeling dry or tight at the same time. The hydrating alcohol-free spritz with skin-loving hyaluronic acid, aloe, and niacinamide creates a luminous finish, which also makes it great for quick touch-ups. Use it 8 to 10 inches from your face, etc., etc. Let's see what the ingredients are. I knew there was something. I can't remember what it was. By Face Setting Spray grips makeup and doubles as a refreshing face mist formulated with Hydro Grip Heroes hemp-derived cannabis seed extract and blue agave extract. I started in the beginning not using the hemp products just because it was in everything. And I became annoyed because I'm pretty sure that it irritates my skin. So I am going to set this aside to pass along also. So if you are not at all a sensitive skin girly, this was a great box. The January box had the milk primer in it, which I'm just not going to use because I think that hemp irritates my skin. The Dermalect nail polish that I have on Mr. Pinky over here, I will definitely use that. I didn't even know Dermalect did nail polishes. The Rock Hyaluronic Acid little capsules, definitely trying those. I know that I love this, what do they call it? Egyptian Magic. I have used that in the past and like it. We have this little Immortelle L'Occitane tea tiny trial size. Oh, the Elta MD tinted sunscreen and the Ava New York hair mask. So I will try the Egyptian Magic, the Nail, the Rock, the Ava New York Nail Magic, and I will pass along the sunscreen and the milk, which I know, it's the 2 hero box, but the box is still worth it for me. It's only $25. I love to show you guys what is in it. I think last month I could use everything. Is that true? There are enough really good months to make up for months where I have to pass along things that aren't perfect for me because I have people in my life that love to try these things too. Okay, thank you so much for coming by, guys. Let me know down below what you think. I think it's still a pretty good box. It went through a phase there where we weren't sure, but I think lately it's been pretty good. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I hope you have a great evening.